Banana and date fruit recipe. To ripe bananas for 2 6-pitted dates. Depending on your desired sweetness, 1 cup of milk dairy or a dairy-free alternative like almond, soy, or oat milk. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract optional, ice cubes optional. For a colder shake, sugar optional for extra flavor. 1. Prepare the ingredients. Peel the ripe bananas and break them into smaller pieces. Make sure the dates are pitted and ready to use. 2. Blend. In a blender, combine the bananas, pitted dates, milk, yogurt if using, vanilla extract if using, and ice cubes if desired. Add a pinch of ground cinnamon for extra flavor. 3. Blend until smooth. Blend all the ingredients until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. You can adjust the thickness by adding more milk if needed. 4. Taste and adjust. Taste the shake and add more dates if you want it sweeter or more milk for a thinner consistency. Blend again briefly if you make any adjustments. 5. Serve. Pour the banana and date fruit shake into glasses. You can optionally sprinkle a little dry fruit on top for garnish. 6. Enjoy, sip, and savor your delicious and nutritious banana and date fruit shake. It's a perfect blend of natural sweetness and creaminess. This shake is not only tasty, but also packed with vitamins, fiber, and energy from the bananas and dates. It's a great way to start your day or as a refreshing snack. Enjoy!